Rockbridge Senior High.
We're gonna get something out of the vending machine with money.
How much, Courtney? $1?
Actually,
Slow down, Hose.
slow down.
Whoa, look at all the cool stuff in that one.
Look, I have sandwiches in here.
It's cold. It is.
Don't get overwhelmed.
I'm sorry.
Calm down, buddy.
Mom, there's food in there.
Yeah, we took the last Twix yesterday.
That's okay. There's still M&Ms.
Do we have $1? I have $2. Look at the Twix. It's right here.
Sorry, I thought it was all out.
And then I'm gonna get one of the soft candies
Why?
because they're delicious. Delicious. Okay, we're putting the money
Do we have
in.
skin cancer? Let's get
We're
that.
putting the money in the thingy.
Are
I'll
you
get yours
sure?
first.
Here we
Libby.
go, here we go.
Don't mess up.
Is it gonna go? Is it gonna take it?
Like
Watch
your
it come
mom?
out.
Like your mom took it.
Okay, ready? What number is it?
4-6.
That's 46.
Are you sure?
Alright, I knew that.
It's fine! Okay, I'm gonna get some soft candy, which is number 48.
Cool, there's M&Ms in here.
Seriously?
Oh, there usually is.
There usually is. Okay, I'm gonna get the soft candy, which is
I
number...
wanna type it, I wanna type it.
Wait, it's 48. Don't
Hold
mess it
on.
up. 48.
Whoa, you guys are geniuses.
4K!
4K zapatos. 4K.
I got a prize!
Time.
I won! Mommy, hold on.
Mom, I win at the vending machine every
Say,
time.
Mommy, hold on.
I can't go in there, Hose.
Go in there.
No.
Stop.
Oh, but you guys are cool hosts. Let's go see Despicable Me.
We can show everyone at the table the video so they can
Okay. Bye.